Hello, today I will show you how I prepare this OFE Onugbu or bitter leaf soup. OFE Onugbu is a traditional soup from the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo tribe. Once you try this soup, you will come back for more. It's so delicious and full of nutrients. Just because I call it bitter leaf soup doesn't mean the soup is bitter. I know you can't wait to see how I prepared it, so let's head to the kitchen and start cooking. Welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time here, welcome. And please make sure you check out my other videos and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go over the ingredients. Goat meat, shaki or beef tripe, stockfish and dry fish,
Onugbu aka bitter leaves,
ede aka cocoyam, palm oil, crayfish,
ogiri,
habanero pepper, Maggi cubes, and salt. So I'm going to start by cooking the meat that I previously washed. So I'm adding a little bit of onions, but it's optional. I just don't like to cook my meat without onions. I'm now adding Maggi cubes, salt, blended habanero pepper, water, and mix everything together. Cover and let it cook. So while the meat is cooking, I'm going to start cooking the cocoyam. After adding some water, I'm going to cover and let it cook. When the meat was halfway done, I added some water. The amount of water will depend on how much soup you're making. Now I'm going to add the shaki which I previously cooked. You can cook OFE Onugbu with any kind of meat, but cooking it with goat meat takes the taste to another level. So I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Next, I'm going to add the stockfish that I previously cooked. Cooking stockfish can take forever, so I cooked it earlier to speed up the process. You can also use the head of the stockfish to cook this soup. I actually prefer the head. You can take us out of Africa, but you cannot take Africa out of us. Even though we are abroad, we are still enjoying our native soups. I am now adding blended crayfish and ogiri. Gently stir it, making sure that you don't break the stockfish. Cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the dry fish that I already washed and deboned. I didn't add the stockfish and dry fish together. That's because the stockfish is stronger, so that's why I added it first. Cover for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's now time to add the palm oil. Gently stir, making sure you don't break the fish. While that one is cooking, we're going to check on the cocoyam. You know it's ready when the knife goes easily through it. Cocoyam is called taro root, so if you go to your local grocery stores, you can ask them for taro root. If you're not able to find cocoyam, you can go to your African stores, they have the powdered one. That one will work too. So once it's ready, drain the water and let it cool down. You can either choose to peel it off like so with your fingers, or use a knife. But please just make sure it has cooled down before doing so, because we don't want you to burn your fingers. If you're still wondering what I'll be doing with the cocoyam will be used as a thickener. After peeling off the skin of the cocoyam, add some water. I am using a blender, but you can use a mortar if that's what you have. This is the consistency that you need. As you can see, we don't have any more oil floating on top. Now time to add the cocoyam. Wondering why you should be eating cocoyam? Cocoyam is high in vitamin C, vitamin B6 and vitamin E, which helps maintain a healthy immune system. Don't have cocoyam? No problem. You can use blended oatmeal as a thickener instead of cocoyam. You can decide to add more cocoyam or water depending on the consistency that you want. This was just perfect for me. I'm tasting to make sure I have enough seasoning. Gently stir. Cover for 1 minute. It's now time to add the main ingredient, bitter leaves. The leaves were washed several times to get rid of the bitterness. If you're wondering why you should be eating bitter leaves help to cleanse vital organs of the body like the liver and kidney. Gently stir to avoid breaking the fish. Cover for about a minute or two. And voila! Our OFE Onugbu or bitter leaf soup is ready to be eaten with pounded yam, garri, oatmeal, semo, amala, akpu, wheat flour or any swallow of your choice. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye!